Wagwan people, welcome back to another video. You don't know we're out here again. This is a boy Nigel. So I want big up to all of the new subscribers that will come over from over ChrisMustList. Big up on yourself, enough love, and me wanna not gonna regret it for coming over here. You guys gonna love it over here. So today me I link up with Chris again and me gonna do a little video. Now the last one I didn't do any video, but this time we are do some video. Alright? So I want to stay tuned, I want to lock in and do the right thing. Alright? So we don't know what we are do today as yet. So it's gonna be a surprise for me and for you guys. Alright? Watch the process. Alright, so yeah, we are here with Chris now. We pick up Chris and we're out by the airport. We're gonna pick up him friend. So look at it.
Yes, look at it. Oh, thank you. I got the full control of the camera. Welcome everyone to Nigel's channel. If you're coming from my channel, you better do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, please. It's ChrisMustList, day 3, back in Jamaica. Just extra energized. I love this country. I love the people. I know we're gonna have a good day today. With the fisherman.
Who is the fisherman? As a fisherman, believe. So we're out here with no fear. Alright? Watch the process. So we're there on Old Hope Road, we're there Charlene spot. I get some food. Great ChrisMustList in the place. Yes.
I'm back this 2 days in a row.
2 days in a row.
Charlene's.
Yeah.
Food is so good.
We have Charlene right here. Look what going inside. You see a whole heap of ackee there on the table. Yeah. What going. So I want the home style with dumplings, yam and banana. I want banana. Alright? Banana and dumpling. Like one dumpling, one at each. Alright. So we're there. And we're there with Chris.
Yeah.
We're there with Chris Brethren. CJ.
CJ.
Big up yourself. Welcome to Jamaica. Believe. Alright. So we're there go get some food. Alright? So no lock in and see what's going on. So we get some sorrel. Some homemade sorrel. Sorrel and ginger. Look at that. So we're there Old Hope Road close to Swallowfield. Alright?
Look at that, big chunks. Home style chicken.
Yeah.
No, you can't eat the whole thing. Half of it goes home until.
Yeah. So we are waiting for my own, you know, so we're not going to watch the process, alright? We here say me Charlene have the best food, you know. So we have some street food.
Yard food, not street, yard food.
We have some yard food. Look at these people. Oh Lord. Look pan chicken. Look pan island. We have yam, banana. Watch out, look at this, watch out. We now have option. Look at this. We have like a one leg. So one big chicken leg, you know. What's it? Cha cha. Yeah, man, right on the roadside with them. Some banana. We have some soft yam in it.
No, so big. So big.
I'm gonna go and watch the process, alright? I'm gonna enjoy the food, yeah. So yeah, people, man, the food was really delicious. So if you're in Jamaica or you're in Jamaica and want a nice spot to get some local food, yeah man, you need to come visit me, Charlene. Yeah man. So you say, Chris, the food was
Spectacular. Above average. Extraordinary.
yeah.
Mouth-watering. Tastes good.
You heard from Chris and nobody else.
2 days in a row. You know it's good if you come 2 days in a row.
In 2 days in a
Even
row.
with no camera, I'm not recording anything.
Yeah, see it? That's how good it is. So you got Chris coming back. And you know, say when you visit a place and the food tastes good and you go back a second and a third time, that explains it all. Anything you want to tell the world, Miss Charlene?
Hi world, just come look for me when you come Jamaica. Right here in Swallowfield at the entrance of Old Oak Road. It's the #1 ackee spot. World famous for ackee and saltfish all year round, every day. And variety of other vegetarian stuff, and I do done to other dishes. So if you don't eat certain things, I'll cook it just the way you want it. Alright, so make sure. Yes, so it's a must when you come to Jamaica.
Alright. I hear that. Alright, so now.
Anyway, you're in the country.
Yeah, you just come here.
If you
Come
want
check
to
it.
feel at home, or you want to feel like you're in your yard, just come on my face, I'm going to fix you up. Yeah.
Alright, so now check her out, alright? Caymanas River over there. So just a bit of vibes here. Me and Chris there, same way. And we have Atul and CJ, so we just have a bit of little vibes. I'm not going to video whole heap, so just watch the process. So watch go on people. We're there. Caymanas River, but never get to video a whole heap. But now I'm there in Spain, you know, with youth on the rise. I'm just go on a little of that, alright? So you just watch the process.
Yeah man, I mean I say big up DJ Can youth on the rise, and I mean advise them know say I'm 50 back. I say big up DJ Chris, yeah man TV, you don't know the big up there. Alright, there you go. You know me, I gonna make it one day. To Father God and my knees I pray. Keep the pagan from out of me way. Psalm 35 when me chant every day. When me say, you know me, I gonna make it one day. To Father God and my knees I pray. Keep the pagan from out of me way. Psalm 35 when me chant every day. I think a little bit of time and day I suffer. Tired of source of bread without butter. Make up my mind and me goal me I go for you know since a politician don't care about the go. Don't tell me top stock and the truth from my heart. Don't just me go.
Yeah, man, feel like the money makers, a young Jamaican. Yeah. Pull up in the club tonight, me dog, them a dash US and pounds tonight, yeah. We love the vibes and we living right with a big fat matic palm my side with them teeth. So a boy not try, Trinidad youth, a man full of style. When she hear my melody, she start get wild. Roll deep, roll clean. Trinidad youth living my dream. With $1 million that in my jeans, a 17 dog that how we reap. Roll deep, roll clean. Work hard, push the beam with speed. Up on the tour, we go with the team. A normal thing, you know, my man.
You know what you mean, dog? We soon get rich. Yo, she said me can't touch, just see me don't touch. 2 million of money and a clean Lexus. I the same brown you where she used to style up. Me clean to the bone and them brown you where she used to style up. Me clean to the bone and the money long up. She said me can't touch, just see me don't touch. 2 million of money and a clean Lexus. I the same brown you where she used to style up.
You know where she styling up and say me G in a real life. Remember, youths on the right.
Yeah, out here.
Pull up a rhythm for me then.
Put up a rhythm.
Cheap for that. In a real life, you know. Cares the mouth.
What you gotta say?
Don't worry, but everything's so plucky.
We out here, man. God is good. God is great. Big up Father Can. Big up ChrisMustList. Big up Chipoda. Big up everybody there. Yeah, man. We out here. We don't see it. That is it.
Let me tell you how them girls are operating in a real life. She see her pussy and payment. Take your time.
Rhythm Society.
Calm down. More to the list of me go.
Yeah, they want to find out for them. Voila.
She see her pussy, her payment plan does fi gain chance. You have to spend a few grand. Them a gyal nowadays no fuck broke man. You have to drive a Benz or get the prestige one. She will suck your toe yes with just 10 grand. She a real bad gyal, you know, real demon. Franny money right me, I tell you, we no man. She will fling your pussy anywhere dark panny jan. Come for the money, gyal. Bad bitch here, suck it cocky dog and can't spit yeah. Bad bitch here, Franny money right dark. She will fling it anywhere. Bad bitch here, suck it cocky dog and can't spit yeah. Bad bitch here. Let me tell you what go on 50. Yeah, she say your money make she marry. Say she want give me a back as Spanish ferry. Girl we real pretty me I tell you Ali Berry. Say she want me wall around strangle the pussy. Say no broke boy coulda never make she happy. If you want get the pussy happy pay down panny. That chicken with carrot after she no bout money. You want the pussy happy pay money. 50 what go on?
Do not bossy, gun. Beg you me, I beg you, put it down. Gun is a thing, no laugh, that make fun. gunshot, nah turn back when it a come. As I get to you, man, I fi think positive. Man, I boss no gun and go think negative. Only by you tell me see a burst like gig. Police shoot them up and throw them pan the fridge. You have some, you don't go and live free. Don't want work, them just too lazy. Come on man yard, but them a beg man tea. Say them want see a brick, they go run. 50 now, don't not keep me and turn no gun man. Prefer big up rice and potato and yam. Lord and John, sell couple grand. Trust me you man, me know you can't wrong. What me say? If you want good, me say you know it's a free run. You can't sit on one place and not jamming.
Yeah. Every time I call your phone, that means you're not at home. Heart is racing one day.
Oh dear, people. Survive.
Please forgive me. I don't wanna live with memories. I don't wanna be with another beat. Those things just drain my energy. Time will tell. Oh, time will tell. Tears of commitment. Teach my children. I'm just a man, trying to understand. Nowhere to turn. All my bridges burn. Every time I call your phone, that means you're not at home. Heart is racing, wondering if you come back home.
It's a vibes, people. It's a vibes. Right in the Spanish Town Square.
Yeah man, TV, big up yourself. You don't know the thing, go Youths and the Rise record. One DJ can you see? Big up yourself, ChrisMustList and the whole works. Yeah man, TV, the best TV.
Yes, no man, that is it. DJ Khan in the place. Right, we're there. Just I go do something different. You see it, believe.
On the Rise record. Remember good man, 1J and Clock Scott. We not like go on. Dina 4-5. People them go on like them nah have no love. Remember good man, protect your youths them, you know. Hey. Man a murder woman and a kill baby. Can't believe I saw them youth I live crazy. The life where them living dog it shady. Me I tell you the truth. A them thing you shake the world. Watch over your boys and girls. Them not show no love and it hurts. Make me feel like we left this earth. Yeah, all I see is darkness around me. Friends and family try to drown me. Them try to sink me deep. Dark, them wouldn't mind to send me 7 feet. When me say son just go on to your victory. So me not stop by like a one big tree. And dark, my born a fighter like Bobo Shabba. No want a rifle, no need no jammer. Me wonder how them a go stop the one ya, stop the man ya. Watch a house ya, watch a land ya. Me want to rich like Matalana. And be a great man like Marty McLennan. Watch me Gucci bag, watch me swagger. I mean no do this for fame, so go and go tell a vlogger. Man a murder woman and a kill baby. Can't believe them a youth ya move so crazy. The life where them living dog it shady. Me a tell you the truth.
Start over our career.
New artist in that place.
Bother with this. Oh, and that to go. Yeah.
Yo, Dre.
Go on, come like a stage fright, no, go on, no, the one I'm gonna shine.
No one in them speechless, my father.
One pair of shoes in a beat when the dog squeeze the bricks them call me. I'm rise up to 6 pounds and my grandmother beg me to put it up in my response. Press the rice, chip up, pepper rice, one pair of shoes in a beat when the dog squeeze the bricks them call me. I'm rise up to 6 pounds and my grandmother beg me to put it up in my response. Press the rice, chip up, pepper rice, but say it's bit up, make more chicken. Mash up a quick
Night dark room, post me mommy pass out. And me have a one thing dog when me carry all board. Cause people have no love. When me looking at them heart, my dog me see pure grudge. Heart tough like stone love. Me want you listen to the verse and the chorus. Yeah man dog, and now we alone. Go through the pain, strap with the crew. Me have to cross no danger zone. Beg on the place to call my phone. Yeah, because I'm home alone. Drinking this till my overdose.
Till me hide them clothes, me drop asleep sometime, me never know. Yeah, enough time me feel dark out, like when she no say him.
One clocks God, you know he come down. Dana 4-5, big up yourself.
And me have a one
on the rise
thing
records. How it go?
Cause people have no love. When me looking at them hard, bad dog, me see pure grudge. Hard stuff like stone love. Me want you listen to the verse and the chorus. Yeah. Me want change my life now. Can't bother with the fake dog fraud.
No time.
That make me can't turn in a me yard.
You mad?
As them this dog, yeah, my gun.
Gone.
Get nothing no surprising. Just look dog where them do to riding.
Then cripple him, dog.
We keep on
Fuck
fighting.
Yeah,
But it look like say dog we can't win. Yeah, enough time me feel dark out. Like she no say night dark road.
That is it, people.
Me pass out. And me have a one thing. When me turn
People go see that. You just look out for collab in a young Jammy alongside Jerry and Clocks God. It's a Comfy 2025. You know it go. In a real life, but scene. Fully Clocks, you know the whole Clocks team.
Man, no joke, man. Full
No joke. Cares them all. One syntax. Oh, it come down. I go.
Put your gun to dead quick. You see me glory and I ask for taste it. Don't be greedy, every youth free rich. My little brother have to have a bank book tick. My mother have to have a big mansion quick. The girl when me want she a talk a bag of shit.
That is it, people. Youth on the rise. Believe. What? Check them out. Check them out.
We have to big up I-Roller production.
Yeah.
You see me? Over in the US. I them follow the team. And ChrisMustList. General there too. So you know it come down, you know. One love, one unity. Spanish town, you know where we found. You see it? No clown. Don't come around.
That is it. Believe. Watch the process. Yeah, man. Right in a Spanish Town Square, right at clock. You can get your jerk chicken, soup. You see it. Look at it. Believe. See, man.
Yeah,
Who them for after?
Devon.
Devon.
Bad
Right.
jerk man.
Bad jerk, man. Right in a Spanish Town Square. See clock there. Yeah. Where you say I am have the greatest?
Yeah, man, Devon have the greatest, man.
See that?
Come talk with the herbal, man.
Yeah.
Come reason with the herbal, man. Every time say, yo, heal your body, yana, cleanse your body, yana, remote your body, yana, build your body, yana, flush your body, yana. Natural herbal pan TikTok, original herbal, man. Bennett, big up.
Believe. Right in a Spanish Town Square. Believe it. That is it. Rain and fall. So we're there in one shelter. Chris them down there start eat some chicken and fish. But we're there. Believe. Watch the process.
Anything you want, you get it right here.
Anything you want. Believe no man. What time you know? About 11 o'clock in the night.
Yeah, about 11 o'clock you know. So
That is
anything, right back till the morning. You have it hot.
Believe
Hot,
it.
soup,
Hot.
Red pea soup,
You-
pumpkin soup.
You
Anything
name
you
it.
want.
It's there right here, so.
Right here.
Yeah, man.
Under the clock at Spanish Town.
Yeah, man. Big up the general. He's
Yeah.
coolest. Look for him chicken one more time.
Almost real.
Yeah. That is it. Drop off everybody back at them home, hotel, and everything. So I just reach home. Right now, I'm gonna edit that video here and try to put it out so that you guys can get to see it. So, more big up on you. Thank you all for watching, and all of the new subscribers, big up on yourself. Welcome, and we sooner in the next video.